Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make Banana Bread Shivesh, updated. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F and mash 3 ripe bananas until smooth. I walk you through simple swaps and tips to rescue batter that looks too thin or too thick. We keep ingredients common, steps clear, and timing realistic, so your loaf turns out golden and fragrant every time you bake at home. Warm greetings. Let's get your ingredients lined up so the process feels easy and calm. Measure 2 cups of flour and sift if you like a lighter texture. Mash 3 bananas and combine with melted butter, sugar, 1 beaten egg, and a splash of vanilla. Stir in baking soda and salt last to keep the rise even. These simple steps make the batter come together quickly and smoothly. Follow these steps with a relaxed rhythm to avoid overmixing and dense bread. Combine mashed bananas, melted butter, sugar, egg, and vanilla, then fold in the flour mixture until streaks disappear. Transfer to a greased 9x 5-inch pan and level the batter. Bake at 350 degrees F and check with a skewer near the center. Remove when it comes out clean. Let the loaf cool slightly before slicing and enjoying warm slices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.